Hello, welcome to Flowealth Academy YouTube channel. Today we will discuss on another AI image generating tool, that is Canva Magic Studio. Magic Studio, you can see that there are many options. Like you can make image, you can create a video, and you can modify your image. Like this is the features, like you can create, you can have like the image, what are the options, how to download. Different informations are given in this Canva Magic Studio interface. Like AI powered photo editor. You like if you upload a photo, you can easily edit this photo by this Canva Magic Studio, or you can easily create or generate a background. Like when you will launch any product or you have the product mock-up, then you can easily enhance the background, which you actually use in social media, or if you have any marketing team, they can easily use this background generator options. And also but it is now pro. You cannot have in at free of cost. Like AI voice, you can add your voice, you can create an image which have some objects, aesthetics, or textures on the image, and also some mock-up templates and enhanced voice and highlights. But these are the pro options. And you can transform the content like magic resize. If you have the product image, you can easily resize by using these tools. And you can also have text to video option, text to image, text to graphic options. And you can have visualize magic expand, like you can expand the picture or image you make. And these are the pro options. So if I go to the free plan of Canva, suppose, and I have the prompt, I can copy it. So I can write the prompt here. A cozy reading corner with warm lighting, indoor plants, a cup of coffee, realistic photography style. Let's submit it. Here we actually generate these types of image. You can also change the category. Either you want to make image for Instagram post, or for presentation, or for portfolio, or Facebook page, or Pinterest, anything. And you can also choose the styles that they have: modern, minimalistic, photo, simple, professional, minimal. So these types format you can use in Canva. And you can have some templates also, which you can use. Like there are the lots of options. And also these are the options for the photo, or you can upload any photo and can enhance the image. Like this is the background, this is the shape, this is the option. Like to get a perfect photo, what options you can apply? You can explore photos from this Canva Magic Studio. And also you can have some brand, like brand kit, like ready to set up your brand kit. So you can have products pictures in the same page, or same editor format, or same plan. Then this is the Canva AI. So you can write the prompt. The AI will help you to enhance your prompt, and can get a better image generated. And you can also have this content planner, design school, and everything. And you can also check the what are the designs for marketing, or for presentation or for cards and invitation or for logo making or for any learning activities. And mainly Canva is easy, very easy for the beginners, and they can easily use this Canva tool. And also this is ideal for teachers, marketers and media creators. Thank you.